What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make a YouTube video once again. And specifically, I'm going to be talking about the purpose of making YouTube videos. You have to have a purpose for creating YouTube videos, okay? So let me drop myself down and we're going to get right into it. Okay, as I said before, I'm going to talk about the purpose of creating YouTube videos. Okay, your video purpose is to first build a targeted audience. You just don't want to be creating videos just to be creating. You have to have a specific reason for creating your videos, okay? And you're doing so to build a targeted audience. You don't want to just build any type of audience. If you're in business, your video needs to be targeted to a specific audience, okay? Also, you're creating a video to build that know, like, and trust with your targeted audience as well, okay? If you don't have that know, like, and trust factor, then building an audience is going to be difficult. You have to give people a reason to know, like, and trust you, and they get to know you, through your videos. They get to like you through your videos, and they begin to trust you through your videos. And in order to build that know, like, and trust, you have to do number 3, which is deliver valuable info to your targeted audience in your videos. Okay, you can't just be trying to sell in your videos. You have to give them information that's going to help them get from where they are to where they want to be. Okay. So another purpose of your video is that when you learn something and you apply it, you share your results and teach it to your targeted audience. That helps you build that rapport with them. You want to build a relationship with them, and you want to be that go-to person for the information that they need, which leads us to number 5, that's going to take your target audience from where they are to where they want to be. Now, you have to realize something. People are either moving away from pain or they're moving towards pleasure, okay? And you have to determine which one of those targeted audiences you are going to target. Those moving away from pain or those moving towards their purpose, towards their pleasure, okay? You want to get them from where they are to where they want to be or need to be, and you do that by delivering valuable educational information to your targeted audience. Don't be afraid to give value. That's not going to hinder you from growing your business or stop you from getting sales. It's going to, in fact, it's going to help you grow your business and help you get more sales in your business. And another purpose of your video is to do a call to action. Never do a video without a call to action at the end, and that's CTA, which is number 6. Okay, so you always want to do these things. Make sure, if you want to, you can pause this video and do a screenshot of this so you'll have it, just so you'll know what to do. Okay, and then we're going to move on in this video. So the next thing comes up is what to say in your videos. What am I supposed to say? I get this question all the time. Rich, what am I supposed to say in my videos? Well, here's a short list of things that you can start out with, okay? And this works for me. I use it in my videos, okay? Number 1 is, who are you? Tell them who you are. Number 2, what you got. Tell them what it is that you got. If it's information that they need to help with their business, then tell them what you got. Number 3 is why they need it or who needs it. Okay, so that's number 3, why they need it and who needs it. Okay, so either one of those can go inside of your video. And then number 4, you want to tell them how they can get it, which is, once again, is your call to action. Never do a video, once again, without a call to action. Always introduce yourself. Tell them what it is that you got for them. Tell them why they need it, and tell them who needs it. One of the two, whichever one, whichever way you want to go with it. And then tell them how they can get it, okay, with your call to action. And we're moving right along. Okay, here's a quick video script this is also going along with what to say in your video. So I wanted to kind of give you a script that I go by, not necessarily that I use all of the time. You can use this as a template for your script. Now, what you also can do is watch other videos in your niche. Go find some of the most popular videos in your niche and see what they are saying and how they are doing their script, and you can mimic them in your video as well. So a quick script would be something like how I start my videos off. Hey, your name here. Are you interested in? You can start with a question, and then you can go into, in this video, I'm going to talk about. Okay, in this section here, this is what you're going to give them in your video. Okay, if you're going to give them something, YouTube training or Facebook training or email list building training, that's what you're going to be talking about in your video. Then you want to have what is called the hook. Now, I have to admit, I recently started trying to do this, and I do leave it out of my videos quite a bit, and I'm going to start incorporating this more into my video. So what is the hook? The hook is something you're going to give them if they stick around to the end of your video. Okay, so that's the hook. And then after you give them the hook, you tell them what you promised them, which goes back to, are you interested in, or in this video I'm going to talk about. You give them what you promised them that you were going to give them. Don't be flying all off the window or off the wall talking. Stick with what you're going to give them and give it to them. Attention spans these days are short, and if you don't give people what they want in your video, they're going to click off and go find a video that will do it. I was watching a video the other day. A guy, he had a lot of views, but a lot of people in the comments were talking about, you did all of this just to get to this. When you're going to get to when you're going to get to what you're talking about in your subject line, that type of thing. So you want to make sure you're giving the people what you said you was going to give them. You promise to give them something, deliver on that promise. Now, it can be 3 tips, 3 ways, or whatever it is that you're going to do, which is what I'm doing into this video. Okay, I'm talking about how to create YouTube videos. Okay, and then once again, I'm going to keep stressing this, the call to action. Okay, if you want them to like the video, comment on the video, share the video with somebody who may need it, subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell so they'll be notified of your other videos. Click the link in the description that's going to lead them to your product or service. So you want to do call to actions at the end of your video. Never do a video without a call to action. So let me kind of give you just a little overview of how I would do it. And let me say, if it was, I'm just going to say if it was the Conversion Pro. Okay. Hi, hey there. My name is Richard Hairston. Are you interested in learning how to build an email list, a targeted email list for your particular business? Okay, something like that. Then in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can build your email list from scratch and start getting sales with your list. The hook, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a 7-day free trial to the Conversion Pros, which will allow you to start building your email list immediately. Now, with that being said, let's get started. Number one way you can build your email list is through solo ads. Solo ads are people who have huge email lists where you pay them to do a mailing for you, mail your product or service to their list, and you get leads coming in from that way. That's one way you can do it. You can build your email list, number 2, by doing YouTube videos. If you do YouTube videos and start building your audience, you can start getting interesting people who are interested in the products that you have, and you can start building a targeted email list that way. Number 3, also, you can build an email list by doing Facebook ads. Now, with Facebook ads, they are a little tricky, but if you learn how to master Facebook ads, you can easily build your email list and start getting targeted traffic to start building a targeted email list. Okay, now if you enjoyed those, if you got value from those 3 points that I just delivered to you, I want to invite you to like this video and share this video. If you have any comments, leave a comment down below so I can interact with you and know your thoughts about this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I do other videos. And if you want a 7-day free trial to the Conversion Pros, there's a link in the description to get the 7-day free trial, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Conversion Pros, get your email autoresponder set up so you can start receiving leads to your business. So with that being said, this is the end of this video, and you know that. So you can do it something like that. So whatever product or service that you're doing, then you can do that, you know, your way. Okay, but this is just a script that you can use. Okay, now you can either use the "Are you interested in?" or "In this video I'm going to talk about," or you can combine the two. Okay, so that's however you want to do it. Okay, so we're going to move right along. So another question I get is, how long should the video be? Well, if you watch any of my videos, you see most of my videos, some are quite long, some are not as long, but I think that your video length needs to be as long as it needs to be to get your message, your valuable information across to your targeted audience. Okay, if cut out all of the fluff, get to the meat and potatoes of your video, and then you'll start seeing, you know, people retention rate sticking with your video. Give them valuable information, educational information. Once again, it's going to help them get from where they are to where they want to be. How long it takes you to do that is going to depend upon you. Okay, so you can, you know, script out your video to kind of give you an idea of how long it's going to be, and then you can go from there. Okay, so we're going to move right along. And as I said before, the call to action, and this is my call to action. If you got value from this video, give me a like and leave a comment below. I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I post on YouTube. If you need a marketing system to collect leads that you generate through your videos, I recommend the Conversion Pros. It's a marketing system I use for my business. Click the link in the description to get a 7-day free trial with the Conversion Pros, and I will help you get everything set up and get you going in the right direction. With that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you got value, and if you have just subscribed, I want to thank you. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe right now. Go ahead and click that link in the description. Get signed up with the Conversion Pros 7-day free trial. Let me know that you have signed up, and then I will get you going in the right direction. With that being said, this is Richard Hairston. I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a good day today and a better day tomorrow.